what does cycling mean to me in my life? I think it transcends a hobby, transcends a sport. That's what we do. We ride bikes. It's just part of the definition of life.
Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all.
There's just this feeling when you're on two wheels and you're just so nimble. It's like flying, except that most people don't get to fly for the price you can on a bike.
He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard.
There's just nothing but you and the trail. Like this like the universe kind of just folds in around you and you expand to fill the universe, and the universe is just you and that single track line through the forest, and you're just gone. Before I got hit, I rode my bike to work nearly every day. And that was the rhythm of my day. It was just, to me, it was wonderful. And I had a great commute that I'd done hundreds of times. So last November 1st, I was, coming up on a year now, I was headed home and I was going south, and I came to the only place on the route where where traffic is moving quickly and there's no shoulder. I remember it being bright, like thinking, wow, there's a lot of headlights on the ground in front of me. And then I was in the air, and I apparently hit a windshield, was flying, hit the ground, slid to a stop kind of on my back. So I was really sore and in a lot of pain. It was really hard for me to move around. I had a lot of post-traumatic stress sorts of things, but if I was riding in a car or driving in a car and lights came past me from behind, that was like a physically and emotionally really difficult experience. I got back on a bike in late October. Just rode around the parking lot to prove to myself that I could still do it. That I wasn't really broke. So then I met with Russ. I felt like I got taken care of in a professional way. Like they said, we're personal injury lawyers. We help people who got injured on their bikes, and they delivered what they said they'd deliver. The thing that I think really set them apart from any other experience I've heard other people talk about is the way that professionally delivering exactly what they said they'd give me. Good professional personal injury lawyer work. And then the second really important thing was focusing on my healing. And then the third thing was just knowing that I wasn't just a case file. I was me. And Russ was actually able to kind of comprehend what I was talking about, and was also able to tell me, like, this might take a little bit of time, but we're gonna make sure you get taken care of. And that was what I needed, and I got it.